Welcome to the ultimate IPTV journey today. Let's dive into the best IPTV service, 2TV.store leading IPTV provider. Why is it considered the best option? Let's start your IPTV setup process now. Firstly, download the 2TV.store app. Now install the application on your device. Next, open the app and sign in. You'll see a dashboard filled with channels. Navigate the interface to find content. Explore different categories and genres now. Adding favorite channels is easy and quick. Customize your viewing by arranging channels. Don't forget to check out live TV options. IPTV offers flexibility like never before. No more cable hassles, just pure entertainment. With 2TV.store, channels are always updated. Explore the extensive channel list available. 2TV.store also supports HD quality streaming, perfect picture quality for sports and movies. Don't miss out on entertainment anymore. Remember, your satisfaction is our priority. If this video helped, subscribe for more. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.